AI is everywhere and literally replacing software engineer roles. The tech industry, and there are so many recessions we have seen in the year of 2024 and 2025, and there is so much coming next. In next 5 years, no one can predict what is going to happen and how the tech industry, how the world is going to be changed. So in this tough situation and the recession time, students like me who are still learning new things, new technology, and just entering the tech field and coding, learning, programming, doing DSA, are worried about what is going in future and how should they prepare themselves to save themselves from that recession happening and what they actually be targeting. So in this video, I will be talking about my plan, what if AI took all jobs and took my job, and what is going to be my plan. Because there you must need a plan B to save yourself from the job, from laying off and protecting yourself and your future. So it is certain that AI is not gonna take every job. There is a research said that AI will take 85 millions of jobs, but instead it will replace with 95 new million jobs. So jobs are going to stay, but the problem is the change is happening so fast that people aren't able to keep up with it. So in this fast world where you need to learn new technology in every 6 months, you need to be that fast that you need to be develop that kind of technical skill mindset that you can keep up with the growing tech field and can stand out in the crowd so that you aren't be going laid off and always the valuable asset for the company. For this ability to improve in yourself, I will suggest you to go and read and check out the book Deep Work by Carl Newport. And in that book, as I have studied it, read it 2 times and still reading it again and again, I am unlocking the new tips and tricks for myself that are going to help me in growing myself and help me keep up in this tech fast growing industry. So if I summarize the book, the main key concept in that book told is that to keep yourself to do deep work so that you can learn these technologies, new learnings fast. Deep work will help you to achieve this mindset and also help you to keep up with the new fast growing world. But that is gonna be super important in this tech world. And this fast growing world where people's attention span is less than 30 minutes. People are not even able to sit longer. They are struggling to focus. In this distracted world, people are distracted. They lose their ability to go deep, concentrate, focus on a single task. So if you have that skill, that company are going to pay you. So you have to be different. So there are 3 things that this Carl Newport talk about. The one is deep work. So in that writer talk about how the deep work actually works and examples of different writers and the writer of Harry Potter, how she write her book, how we find her deep workspace and how deep work works. And there is other rules in which one is quit social media. There he suggests to quit social media if it won't have that much impact on your career life. He suggests about skipping social media for at least 30 days and seeing the impact. If the impact is very high, then you should be continuing using social media, but with the strategies that will not impact your work ability. And if it's not creating any such impact in these 30 days, then it's better to quit it forever. because it's just draining your mental energy and taking the ability of viewers to focus and concentrate. And the other is try to talk about shallow work. The shallow work is like knowledge workers nowadays who are just working and they are not producing much values to a company. Like workers we see in industries, they just work like a simple task that they are repeated and doing it. They don't really care about creativity and other things. So you have to train these shallow works. In your career life, the shallow work may be like checking emails continuously after every 5 minutes. So this is considered to be a shallow work because you are not going deeply in that work. For that going deep work, you need at least 2 hours of deep focus. You be focusing on one task only for that 2 hours. You don't have to check email. You don't need to do anything else other than that task. So this is something that very hard to build in starting, but with consistency and efforts, if you able to practice this at least 1 hour or 2 hours every day for next 6 months, then you are going to see impressive changes in yourself. You will see that you are learning new things very fast. You are adapting to new technologies. You are standing out of crowd in your class. Then that's something writer talk about, the deep work ability.